Hello, my name is Boris Belik. I have a master's degree in applied mathematics and physics, PhD in engineering, and 7 years of experience as a physics tutor. During my teaching career, I've noticed that even those who are good at physics see the world very differently from how I do. It's as if their scientific knowledge isn't connected to the reality around them. To help bridge this gap, I created this video course. Here I've done my best to explain basics of physics in a way that's clear, visual and concise. This course is perfect for high school students who want to learn physics and prepare for exams. It can also be helpful for college students and adults who want to deepen their understanding of physics. Now let's take a look at the main branches of physics and what this course will cover. Classical physics can be divided into several branches: mechanics, thermodynamics and electrodynamics. In this series, we'll explore mechanics, the most visual and tangible branch. Mechanics deal with the motion of objects and their interactions. It can be further divided into kinematics, dynamics and statics. Kinematics studies the motion of objects without considering the causes of motion, using equations and their graphical representations. Dynamics looks at the causes of motion, like forces, following Newton's laws, and introduces concepts like mass, momentum, energy and conservation laws. Statics, meanwhile, examines the equilibrium of objects under applied forces, introducing the concept of torque. We'll systematically cover each of these areas and learn how to solve related problems. That's all for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.